repair an earlobe if it has not completely split all the way down? Yes, you can. For sure you can. And it's not uncommon for people who want to have that repaired. So that would be like an enlarged earring hole, I guess, if it's not quite split. People often, because of the sort of back of the kind of the butterfly of a stud or something, they can fall through and the earrings fall out and things. So people often want earring holes reduced, shall we say. And the ins and outs of how we do that would depend on each person. If there's kind of like a really, really tiny little bridge of skin, sometimes it's as easy to complete the split and then repair it as if it's a complete split. But if there is a fair bit of skin left, then we can just reduce the hole, and that would be something we'd assess. But the principle is, yes, you can repair an earlobe if it's not completely split. You can reduce the earring hole, and the principle is the same as a split earlobe as to whether you would want to keep the hole or have it re-pierced elsewhere. And it's always easier to have it re-pierced elsewhere. Although if you really wanted to sort of keep using that hole, there are techniques you can use to mean that you can still use that hole, although it will always be weaker than a kind of fresh piercing elsewhere on the lobe. But these discussions we can have. But in general terms, yes, you can repair an enlarged earring hole or a not quite fully split